Hey guys, Jesse Razzle here once again. I had another great training for you, local marketing hack. I'm going to talk with you a little bit about marketing optimization and media planning and how to use media to impact the quality and quantity of the customers that you attract. We're going to talk a little bit about this. One of the things we talk to our clients about all the time is that media shapes people's perception, and we have the opportunity to create media every single day. So we encourage that you publish every single day as part of your strategy. I've only got less than 10 minutes. I got a ton of content to share with you, but I do want to be respectful of your time. So hopefully you get a ton of value out of this. I know you will if you implement this strategy. And I'm going to talk with you a little bit about how to increase the quality and quantity of the customers that you attract utilizing a media plan, and where I see gaps in the game, how you can get a competitive advantage if you are a paintless dent repair company and/or automotive hail repair company looking to expand your brand and reach in your local market and or into neighboring markets. So let's talk first and foremost about your media planning, because I see a lot of people out there that are publishing into social media, and one of the things that I don't see a tremendous amount of, we see some of the leaders out there doing it on a regular basis, but I don't see a tremendous amount of people publishing content on their website. What I mean by that is all the videos that you create, all the content that you create around whatever your media strategy or plan is, you publish into social media, but that same content doesn't get published on your website and or optimized. So the size and reach of your website doesn't continue to grow over time. And what this can do is, as you drive traffic to your website, it becomes harder and harder, and you actually have to spend more and more money in order to get that traffic to the site. Of course, there's some really great ways to drive traffic through paid advertising, but organic advertising or organic search is virtually free. You've got to put in more time in regards to the build out, but you don't have to pay for that traffic. It's kind of like generating a marketing list where you can market to it over and over again. If you publish content on your website and optimize it for search, that's going to live into perpetuity. Whereas if you publish into other types of content into other channels, like through posting and things of that nature, it's only short-lived. Actually, the reality of any type of post inside of social media is anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. So you've got to do it every single day, which we encourage that you do. But if you want to maximize your reach and you want to increase the amount of attention that you get on your brand, your products, your services, and you want to attract more customers, what you want to do is you want to create what's called cornerstone content. And that's the content that you publish on your website and that you optimize for search. And the reality of it is that those posts, the things that you're publishing into social media, when they are published and properly optimized on your website, they live on forever. They actually aid and support your business into perpetuity. You don't have to worry about them. You can also create really unique calls to actions on those pages. So if people are consuming the content, you can put a nice call to action in order to convert them into a lead and or into an appointment. So a much more powerful way in order to convert leads and appointments is to create what's called cornerstone content. So what this means is, instead of publishing out there in all these different social networks, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram exclusively, what you want to make sure is that you're generating that content around your media plan, and then you're publishing it on your website as cornerstone content. And what this will give you the ability to do is, once you go out there, you can actually take that content and then syndicate it into your social media to get that daily post, that daily visibility. But what it'll do is, over time, it's going to increase the amount of traffic that you have coming to your site back to that cornerstone content. So through a syndication process, as opposed to just publication, you can actually extend the reach and the effectiveness of the media that you're creating. So an incredibly important part, and some of the things that I see as far as gaps in the game out there, is not enough people are publishing cornerstone content on their website and utilizing it to optimize and grow their presence online, which is hurting them in the long run. You know, you've got a lot of really great content out there. You want to capture it. You don't want to publish it just into social media, let it live for 24 to 48 hours, and then it only lives on your website from that point forward. There's no media stream. It doesn't exist there anymore. And you've got to publish more content every single day. It's the difference between growing a business and being just sales centric and only as good as your last day of sales. So that'll be a really great addition to your toolbox, making sure that you're out there publishing content, what we call cornerstone content on your website, optimizing it, and then syndicating it online. You definitely want to have a media plan that supports that. What we encourage that you do is put together media that spotlights the work that you do, the customers that you serve, and educating future customers. Again, if you want to impact the quality and quantity of the customers you attract, you want to spotlight and provide content to those customers. If you want to do luxury, exotic, extreme hail or dent repair, then you need to publish content around that, drive people back to that cornerstone content, and then utilize that for marketing purposes, syndicate it online, and watch your presence grow. Watch the amount of traffic that you get grow, watch the number of leads that you get grow, and watch the number of appointments that you get grow on a regular basis. And if we can increase the traffic and leads and appointments, of course, that's going to mean more to the bottom line. It's going to just mean more business to your bottom line. So again, if you want to optimize your website for performance, you have to be focused on a media plan that supports your SEO and the growth of your website on a regular basis. You want to optimize all your content and publish it as cornerstone content on your website, and then syndicate it online and utilize that in order to drive traffic back to those web pages and that cornerstone content so that you can convert that traffic more effectively. So a lot of great tips in there. I know you'll get a ton of value if you implement this. These strategies we've been utilizing for some time with our clients. They work incredibly well. We encourage that you utilize them on your website as well. If you need any support doing that, let us know. We can help formulate a process in order for you to easily create cornerstone content, optimize it on your website, and continue to grow your presence out there and your business. So if you like this information, thought it was valuable, remember to like, share, and comment. And until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.